The first step to ruining your YouTube channel? Blame the algorithm. Every time your video gets 0 views, it's not your fault. Make videos about yourself, not what people want, because as a channel with 13 subscribers, everybody cares about a day in your life. Just have fun. Second, spend 4 weeks filming and editing the perfect video, but only craft thumbnail, while the video is being uploaded, and add a title thereafter. Next, share your YouTube video on TikTok and Instagram, so when the dopamine-filled doomscrollers hop onto your video, they leave faster than every single money that enters your bank account, and the YouTube algorithm is happy to not push your video. Lastly, be lazy and don't commit to doing proper research, packaging, storytelling, and all the whole YouTube package I've explained on this channel, and just keep uploading, be consistent and hope the algorithm would magically boost your videos, and after you complete all these you have successfully ruined your channel. Want to learn how to actually grow as a small channel? Click this video, where I as a small channel guide you on what actually works.